I start.
Yes. It won't select all here. Just like that. Beautiful. Enter. Extrude. Select the height. Yeah, let's say 7. No. Let's say 10. That'll be too long. Okay, no problem. Undo. Let's make it 7 or 8. 8. Ouch. No. Let's make it 7. 7. Good. Alright, so it's alright. Thank you. This is conceptual. Take it to shade of green.
Hey! This video is not stopping.